Hi. Today we will see how to transpose a table in Microsoft Excel. I have opened an Excel sheet, and I have a table in it. Here you can see that, in the top row we have the titles of the columns. And then below that we have the data. So this table is in vertical format. What if I want the table to appear in the horizontal format? So that the title will come on the left side of the sheet, and the data will come to the right side. Let's see how to do that. Select the entire table. Click this clipboard button, and select the copy option. Then click any empty cell. Click the clipboard button again. And select the transpose rows and columns option. Magic! The entire table is transposed horizontally. So that's it. That's how you can transpose a table in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.